Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamokam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Menteri rang ba ka jelaw kon rat ke sangma ulapan pau ka jing sosi halor ka jing jar ngai ba klem patlap dien satya nadu ka ar sautre ujembang arjap san yaki arngat ki Kurim na ka jela Madhya Pradesh ki balik ka soara bat ongru ba ka jingwat ikini ki shijur kadang beteng hadu menta hau kerwa bala pha skila pathai kubor ha ka ar kandai tere ujembang arjap san menteri rang ba ulai thu ba ulai kran halor kini ka jing ja bat menteri rang ba ka jela Madhya Pradesh bat airu ka jing kular ban penan kam yang borok kilat ki Lynti khanang banwan iki shijur tat hadu pandasham shu la ong bakat kum ka jingyo Jingtip ki shijur kila eno harut surok ka skuti bala shimwai bat Ïaid kai da ka Kjat henre namar ba kadang de artat ka porliur ka bajur phau slap ha ka thain soara ka jaka ka ba shijur ki Ïaid da ka Kjat ka de ka ba Btuit ba
administration. Fortunate incident had happened where a newlywed couple from the state of Madhya Pradesh had come to Meghalaya, to Sora, Cherrapunji area, and we got reports that they went missing. It's a very, very unfortunate situation. My counterpart from Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Chief Minister, has spoken to me. I've received a call from the Home Minister's Office, Government of India, and I've been monitoring the situation personally on a daily basis. The SP, as well as the entire administration, the police force has been on the job 24/7 to find the couple. And not only our administration, but entire village and community in that area is also participating in this search for this couple. We are using all the possible technology also available with us to help us in our endeavor. As you're aware, this is the pre-monsoon area of the time, and Cherrapunji and that entire belt is known for heavy rainfalls. Hence, it's a very, very difficult task as we move along, but we are giving it our best to ensure that we're able to find the couple. The history is like this, that they had gone to different locations, and the bike that they had rented was found on the main road. And it looks like after leaving the bike there and parking it there, they have gone off-road and maybe to hike. And that area where they have went, both sides there are hiking treks, and they're very steep. And of course, in this monsoon season, possibility of slippery areas also is very high. And therefore, the overall area of search is very, very big. But as I said, that we are working very hard. The police, the administration, and most importantly, the villagers are all working very hard. We are hopeful that we'll be able to find them. And for us, our tourists are like our family. And especially in Sora area, they've always treated every tourist as to be part of their own family. And hence, the entire community today is involved in this. And every single village has offered their help, and they are tirelessly working along with the administration. We are hopeful that, as I said, we'll get positive results and we'll be able to find the couple, and our efforts are on to do that. And I'm personally, as I said, monitoring the whole situation, and we're trying our best to find the couple who went missing a couple of 3-4 days back.